Hello traders, the title of the video is a faster way to improve a daily chart analysis step 3. So this is the last video in the series of video that we are titling a faster way to improve a daily chart analysis step 1, 2, 3. Alright, so to avoid daily chart analysis mistakes, to improve a daily chart analysis, alright, we talk about the first step, which I don't want to talk about now. The second step. Now the third step, it consists of using channels. There it is. Right? So a lot of people, there it is. Channel. There was a channel there. Roughly, all right? It went up a bit, but, all right? So whenever you see a channel on a daily chart, you can use that channel by projecting the channel. So I'm not saying to you that to improve your daily chart is to use the channel itself, but it is about projecting channel. One can improve daily chart analysis by projecting established channel that were on a daily chart. Okay? So there is one here, it's already here. But in order to improve our daily chart analysis, we will start projecting that channel. What is happening is that trader will come on a daily chart making all sorts of decisions, and they don't pay attention to the monthly chart or quarterly chart, and they get into trouble. Sometimes they win, sometimes they don't win. They're looking for cup and handle chart pattern, head and shoulder chart pattern, inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. They're using the daily chart trend line, they're using the channel. But the faster way to improve your daily chart analysis is to use market geometry, which is the projection of channel. There it is. So I measure the width of that first channel, and traders that are following us are day pro traders, nobody's. We project the channel right there. Alright? Anytime you project a channel, be aware of the median line of that channel. So what are you looking for? You are looking for daily chart setup around any of those projected channels. So either here or the median line here. There was one here, can you see? They bounce up, come down, okay? And the trend line is broken. Alright? So you want to use, so here it is. So anytime you see even a pattern, you want those patterns to be formed. Here it is, this one, you see here. I hope a lot of traders may not see that, okay? So price went up first time here. Okay, let's remove that. Do you agree that the price went up from here to here? Yes, it did, yeah? Look what the price did after that. It turned around. A lot of traders may not see that. It's a V pattern here or a cup and handle here. See, so, you see here? So, it went up. This is a bullish progression followed by a bullish pattern. A bullish pattern that follows a bullish progression. It's a high probability bullish chart pattern. So here we have a cup and handle chart pattern, where on top of the first channel here, see the cup and the handle. If you don't know the cup and handle, how to trade it, go to www.stochastic-macd.com and click on the cup and handle chart pattern. Yeah, you see? Near that projected channel. Look what the price did. Look at that pin. You know this candlestick bar, the pin piercing through a key level. But because there are a lot of distortions taking place on the daily chart, a lot of messy things going on, and people think that they get the whole picture on the daily chart, but that's not true. The whole picture is not on the daily chart. It's bigger than that. So there are a lot of traders using candlestick pattern. They are aware of this pattern that I'm talking about, piercing through a key level. This one, if you are doing what I'm telling you now, how to improve your daily chart analysis using channel projection or market geometry, this one I'll be interested in it. If somebody has forbidden me to look at any other time, say to me, George, now show me how you can use the daily chart alone. Then I'll say, well, I have to work with market geometry. Then I may be interested in this. A pin piercing through a key level after breaking above it is good. There's a high chance that you go up because the tail is telling that people are buying here. So it goes above that projected channel. You continue to do that. Okay? Continue to project that width up. So it also allows you to set target on a daily chart. So again, as I told you before, anytime you project a channel on a daily chart, highlight the media line. You can use this to improve even your day trading. So if you are looking for day trading setup on the daily chart, or you are using stochastic pattern on the daily chart, those are the points where you want to look for. So here it breaks above the media line and pull back to retest the movement 20. Again, it went up, you find a resistance at the top there. So would you agree that by projecting those channels, just projecting the daily chart, one channel on the daily chart by itself, because what I'm trying to do is that there are traders who refuse completely to look at the monthly chart, quarterly chart, yearly chart. They don't want to know. They are down the daily chart doing their own thing. Sometimes they win, sometimes they don't win. But to achieve consistent winning trend, use the market geometry, project the channel on the daily chart. Goes up again, project it one more time. It's only very simple. Anytime you project the channel, just remember the media line. You are looking for trading setup in the vicinity of any of those key levels, including the media line. Look at here. Stop at the media line of that projection. So all this we were doing, you see, that channel that was established on the daily chart has been quite useful for us to map out the chart and to make excellent decisions at the key levels. Look where it changed direction. There, the media line. So the trend line is broken here. Look at that. And again, it's happening all over the place. Then it pull back up a bit to retest again the media line between this blue and this one here. That's what they were doing here. So you want to understand what's going on. The media line, and they saw this media line, and the blue line, and the black line, another media line, they saw it again now. Now here it is. You see, the key level that you dropped before, if I extend this one, look at this one. You see? Are you getting, the media line or the first projected channel on a daily chart? That's where we are today now. And we can continue to extend them for future trading. So you can, a day trader that is lazy, okay, who wants to use only the daily chart can do that. Just extend them or project them, draw the media line, and then now you can go wherever time frame you want to go. And those are the line here. It's on a 50-minute time frame. Look at those gigantic, okay, right? Double bottom, whatever you want to call it here, around that key level that is already there. Look at the people were scalping trade around that buy until the final resistance come crash down, come to the next one here on the 50-minute time frame. Alright? So this will conclude this series of video about a faster way to improve a daily chart analysis. Step 1, 2, 3. In step 3, we are talking about market geometry, projecting a channel that is already established on a daily chart. So we were using horizontal channel. We can project any channel, rising channel. We can project rising channel in the direction of the price. So for those of you who are new to the topic of market geometry, you can YouTube search market geometry by Day Pro Traders channel, YouTube channel. Okay, here my funny accent, I will be explaining to you more about market geometry, and then it came out like this. So you project that width of that rising channel in the direction of the price, and you draw lines that are parallel to the first channel, and you can keep doing that, and you'll be amazed how the trading software, the trading algorithm are recognizing those projections. Just keep doing them. It's your chart. Draw on it as much as you can, and no one can blame you for it. It can only be useful to you and help you to improve your technical analysis. So you see how I projected that first channel that was established on the daily chart in rising channel. You hear again 1, 2, 3 on the edge of that bounce of a bit, crash down. See here, this one, you see? So you see here, so what has happened, it came out of, I'm talking about the middle channel, you see this blue line, and it came out of that middle channel, came out, and it bounced to retest the edge here. So what the price was doing here, it was retesting the media line of the horizontal channel and also the edge of the second channel. So it break out of the second channel and retest it on the edge here. Now it came, look again here. It came out of the tail channel and retested again on the edge. All right, whether you are day trading, scalping, those are the point where you want to see break out of that channel, retest again. So the projection of the chart with the horizontal channel, declining channel, rising channel, or even triangle, we can project a triangle in the direction of the price. You measure the height of the triangle, project it out, and you just keep doing it. If you have any question or suggestion, please put it in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. So this will conclude our discussion today about a faster way to improve a daily chart analysis, step 3. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other technical traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, and also on Facebook. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. Our channel is 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4, Stock Trader YouTube channel. Be sure to click on the notification bell, so anytime we are live, we are about to live stream, pre-recorded video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you very soon.